Today will be a great day. The name of today's task is applying angle theorems. You will be surprised how we will expand your elementary school level knowledge of polygons. There is so much to explore in studying polygons. I am Mrs. Murawski, and I look forward to guiding you through this task. Be ready to engage, explore, and exercise your creative and critical thinking skills. Let's get started. Hello, yesterday I handed you all a cheat sheet of angle theorems. I wanted to mention a few of those theorems that I'd like to be top of your mind as you explore this task. The first is the interior angle theorem for regular polygons, which states that the sum of all interior angles in a regular polygon is precisely n being the number of sides minus 2 times 180 degrees. The second theorem I'd like you to have top of mind is the exterior angle theorem for regular polygons, which states that the sum of the exterior angles for all regular polygons has a sum of 360 degrees. By reviewing these two specifically, I hope to see them as part of your explanations throughout the task. Now that we've had an opportunity to explore angle theorems and properties of polygons, let's take a look at this example. Mrs. Morgan wrote this problem on the board. This pentagon has 3 equal sides at the top, 1, 2, 3, and 2 equal sides at the bottom, 1, 2. 3 of the angles have a measure of 130 degrees. Figure out the measure of the angles marked X and explain your reasoning. Some of you may have some ideas already. But for our lesson over the next 2 days, we're going to look at 4 students in Mrs. Morgan's class and the work that they've done. When you have the opportunity to look at some of the students' work, your job will be to explain whether the student's reasoning is correct and complete, and correct the solution if necessary. You'll have to make sure you write down all of your reasoning in detail using the geometrical theorems and properties to help you explain your reasoning. For example, here's one of the student methods. This student suggests if you draw a line, a perpendicular one, down the middle, it bisects the angle. And then the student proceeds to write angles in a quadrilateral. 130 degrees plus 1/2 of 130 degrees plus x plus 90 equals 360. Your job with your partner is to ask yourself, is this reasoning complete? Is it correct? If so, please explain why. If not, please make corrections as necessary. You will do this for this example and 3 others. In this lesson, we interpreted and applied geometric theorems. You are now able to apply theorems as rules in solving your problems. In this lesson, we displayed our understanding by writing a series of logical steps to explain our reasoning. In this lesson, we worked creatively and cooperatively, debating proofs and made suggestions with one another in a positive manner. I hope you can find a portion of this lesson in which you experienced growth in your abilities. Great work, everyone.